getting a little.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day even more enjoyable. For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride. And no smoking, please.
Oh, I love this. It's been a long time since I've been up in this. I never have. I don't think we came up on it. Maybe we started.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 30,000 animals over the past 50 years? You can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animal rescue stories and gain a better understanding of the rich array of sea life with which we share our planet. Watch Sea Rescue this weekend on ABC. Naturally, SeaWorld is known for world-class aquarium collections. Believe it or not, you can find some amazing aquariums in the gift shop on Journey to Atlantis, where sharks circle above you and schools of fish swim around your feet.
Oh, they must be going to do an ice show for that arena. Practicing.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for the lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and swim alongside dolphins.
This is swing, but yeah, there's a swing. That's the swing. Now that must be Universal. That's the Superman one. That is close to me.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. Look for our signature ride, two awesome enclosed tube slides that see you speeding through a lively lagoon filled with colorful Robertson's dolphins. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
Yep, it is.
Yeah, that's all down. Behind us, yeah, right there. Behind us would be the other one.
They were over here.
We can do that tomorrow.
As the cabin rotates, you'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster. Mako is named for one of the nation's fastest known sharks and reaches top speeds of 73 miles per hour along nearly a mile of track.
A mile of track, 73 miles per hour. How much does it drop?
If you look for the icy rocks that tower above SeaWorld, you'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the quality above and below the water, and be inspired to
Which
make
one
a
do you want to go on? That way-ish? It's hard to see it just get off.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's hard to
We're on a mission, and it's big but not impossible. Together, we're going to protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see, hear, and save it from heart to planet. Interaction is a big part of the SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind at one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences, Shark's Underwater Grill.
That's where we ate. Right.
That was so good.
That was lunch. It was.
For more information about any of the guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, just stop by the guest information counter near the front of the SeaWorld entrance. skates.
We're all the way done.
I would do Mako again.
She says you're probably over it already. Like, I think he likes this.
We hope that you've enjoyed your ride aboard the SeaWorld Skytower. Be sure to check your seats for any
Nobody
belongings.
changed his ticket.
Watch your step as you exit the cabin. Thanks for joining us, and have a whale of a day at SeaWorld.
Not all the time. I didn't like being.
I get put in different areas every day.